Do you have any bags to check?
2,
Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
All same of corridor.
3,
Here's your boarding pass.
Boarding pass same of the paper that permits you to enter the plane.
4,
Your flight leaves from gate 15.
5,
Your seat number is 8F.
6,
Flight 800 is now boarding.
Boarding same of passengers can enter the plane.
7,
Your flight has been delayed.
8,
Your flight has been canceled.
9,
This is the final call for Flight 800.
10,
What is the purpose of your trip?